This video tutorial will help you create a more realistic looking air-conditioned unit attached to the ceiling. After creating the family in REVIT, we will then export it in LUMION. Let's select the family template to be used. I prefer using the generic model ceiling base, because inserting or attaching them in the ceiling will be a lot easier. Create the model. Choose the extrusion form. Then pick the rectangular command. Specify the dimensions. For this family type, let us make them 1000 by 1000 millimeters. Move it to the center of the plane. Then adjust the position and thickness of the model. Then insert the image of the aircon which we would like to use. Position it to the correct location. Adjust the scale if necessary. Now, if you're happy with the result, let us edit the model again. Add the chamfer at its edges, following the corners shown in the image. For this example, use 20 mm chamfer. Repeat it all at 4 corners. Adjust to add the material of the object. Let us apply this to its body frame. Now create new material again. This time, we will use it to the surface of the air-conditioned unit. In the Appearance tab, adjust the properties. Then import the material image. Double-click the image to open the texture editor. Adjust the scale. Set it to 1000 by 1000 millimeters. Adjust the repeat horizontal and vertical options. Set both to none. Now let us apply it to the aircon surface. In the Modify tab, click the Paint command. Then select the material, aircon image. Pick the surface of the model to apply it. If the image did not appear in the correct position, let us edit the material again to correct it. In the Appearance tab, double-click the image to open the texture editor. Adjust the position. In this case, let us try -500 in X and Y coordinates. Now, it seems everything is in order. Save the family and provide the necessary name for it. Let us load it into the project. It will automatically direct us to the project file. Click the ceiling surface which you would like to place your air condition unit. And there you go. We have this family now. We can place them in as many locations as we want. Let us try this in Lumion, so we can see and check the appearance. To do this, export it as an collada file. Then go to the Lumion file. Import the collada file we have just converted. Or reload it, if already loaded. And there you go. The process is successful. We have just created a realistic air condition unit in ceiling. We can use this same process in creating other elements in ceiling and in other areas as well. Like in wall, floor and roof. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video.